Still going. Dang, chill out, goalie. Screaming too much.
I swear, if the car starts beeping again, go. X no. Okay, Taylor. I'm gonna say it.
Say it.
He's gonna score. Oh my gosh. He's gonna score. He's gonna score. He's gonna score.
Okay, I got it. Say it when it goes in the box. Now.
He's gonna make it. He's gonna make it. Oh my gosh.
You listen, bro. Too late, yeah.
Uncle.
Why'd you say uncle?
Uncle.
Oh.
Hurry. Uncle. Shoot it. You're gonna make it. Yeah, you're freaking open.
Yeah! I'm still gonna record.
He's gonna make it. It's 3-2.
It's 3-2.
Come on.
Make it.
Make it.
Score.
Please score, please. Oh, come on, son. Come on. Please, go. No.
What? You thought it was a corner?
That isn't a corner.
No, you thought it was?
I thought it was.
Bruh. It went right out where the corner was. And it...
Oh.
Don't go.
Look, so if you don't tie this, or at least win, I swear, I'm
gonna see, since we scored when I was recording, I want to see if we can score. Ooh.
Go. No, you can do this. You can do it. Hey.
Let's say that's shoulder to shoulder.
No. No.
Oh my gosh. It looked like a corner.
It went over the flag. Go, son!
I'm getting kind of chilly. Don't you think? I should have recorded that goal, bro.
Let's go. Go. You can make it. You can do it.
Oh my god.
You can do it. Oh!
Still in.
You can do it.
Yeah, let's go. That's what I'm talking about. Let's go.
Let's go. Go. Oh.
Yes.
Come on, Saul. You can do this.
Yes.
Go, Saul. Come on, Saul.
Oh, that's okay. Okay. I'm gonna record from here. Wait, what time is it? Yes. Ooh. Yes.
Thank you.
You chill?
I
don't know. I think I caught it. I don't know if I caught it or not.
Come on. Yes. Yes.
I know it's turbo. Okay. Chancellor will go right here.
Come on. So what happened? He's talking to the referee. What happened?
What happened? Oh. Oh.
Okay.
Okay. What happened?
She checked the camera. Okay.
Okay. No,
Okay.
Wait. Okay.
You're recording, right?
All right.
Oh, yes!
Corner kick. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Let's go, guys! Corner kick.
We get it. We got it. We got it. We got it. We got it. I'm post this on YouTube. All the goals.
Bro.
Yes. 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 Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Ooh.
Hit it.
Yes.
Behind.
We got behind you. Never mind. Oh. Oh. Okay. Okay. Corner.
Corner kick now.
I thought we were gonna lose this game, but nah, bro. We stay undefeated. We undefeated.
Combat.
This is the fourth game, right? Yeah, this is the fourth game. It's the fourth game, bro. He looks the same to me. Nah.
With the little mustache.
Ooh, let's go.
Go. Oh.
Ooh. Saul! Ooh. Yes. 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 Oh.
He could kick it right there. He was right.
Oh no. Something happened.
Cramp.
Maybe.
Yep, cramp. He's touching right here in the
Yeah,
thigh.
that's where the cramp, the death happens. We stay undefeated.
Wide open.
I know.
Like he could just kick it from there. Yep. Cramp.
Ooh, that's not good. Ooh. Bro, I had a really bad cramp before that stretched from like here to here. It was very bad. I could barely walk. Ah. Yep. Man down, guys.
Man, but that's a bad cramp there. If you ever get a cramp while a soccer game, that's bad. Because it hurts even more. Like you're tired plus you get a cramp.
Yeah. Put down the feeling. High on believing.
Bro, you can't do it.
Wait, it's a foul or no? That's a goal kick.
No, it's
You can barely see the line.
Bro, he cannot even stand. Oh.
Bad boy. Halo.
Oh, the family.
The familia. Okay. I've been recording for 5 minutes now. It's probably the greatest comeback in 2004 history. Ooh, that's a good pass. Good vision. Good vision.
That was a
Good
good
vision.
pa- that
Good
was a
vision.
good-
It's the eyes that matter.
Yeah. Hey, Darian.
What?
Eye contact.
Eye contact. Vision. Vision.
Look at the person plus look at the ball.
Exactly.
Because you don't know where it's
Oh.
going to go.
Go. Hey, chill out. Yes. Nice. Our ball right there. Our ball.
Let's go, Hoover! Get it out.
What? Huh? Oh my God, bro.
He tripped there. Did you get that?
Yes, I think I got that. We can watch it later on,
Yeah,
but
later.
I've been recording for 5 minutes. Yes.
Sorry, recording.
Yes.
I'm Marvin!
Stay with him, Ben.
Oh my gosh! Yes! Yes! Oh. Okay.
Bro, he had it.
He had the ball.
He had it wide open there.
What is that weird smell?
Maybe the car smell?
Hmm.
Yeah, look. One of them are on.
Maybe.
Let's go,
Go, Saul!
Get the ball, Blue.
Yes. Oh.
Boot it, Sam.
Yes, go.
No.
Go. Yes.
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 Okay, good.
Go! Let's go! Oh. Ooh.
Oh, corner kick. Yeah, let's go.
Where's the corner?
Corner.
Okay. Oh no. Man down.
Oh, crap. We have to see that later.
Man down. You have to see that later. Man
We have to
down.
see
Man
that
down. Man down. See if it's a penalty. Or it's just him. Because sometimes, you know, the goalies just go for the ball and then he just trips over him.
Corner kick. Let's get it.
Come on, get ready, Mario.
Too busy watching soccer. I mean football. Football, not soccer. Football. Ooh. Go, go, go. It doesn't go out. Oh. Go, nice try. Nice try. Not bad. Go, Saul. Yes, Saul. Hey, chill out. Come on, man. White team's dirty. Okay. Got to zoom in. Please don't do a penalty. Yes. Yeah. Yes. Yes. Yes.
Come on, blue team.
Go, Saul.
Come on, Saul. You can do this. You can do it. You can do it.
Went out of bounds.
Bro, like, we have to see that later right there. Because they actually...
Yeah, I don't think it was
They pushed them there.
That was definitely a foul. Kind of. We'll see.
We'll see later.
Maybe you just... Ooh. Vision. Oh. You're faster.
Who's that?
That's Gio.
Stay with him.
Corner? Oh.
Come on, please.
Yeah!